Hello, beautiful souls, divine beings. Welcome in this lovely space with me. Today I have for you a sharing. It's not going to be a reading. Maybe we're going to pull some cards. But this is a sharing that Spirit is guiding me to share. It's about abundance, right? Our true abundant nature. When we think with the mind, the ego mind, the human mind, the mind that is focused on illusion, we think, we believe, and we perceive that when we give something, we are losing something. We are giving it externally from us. We are giving it and then it's gone. It's away from us. But this is not true. It's not truth. This is illusion. In truth, to give and to receive are one. It's the same. It cannot leave its source. That is God. That is the God's mind. That is the truth. To give and to receive are one. So when I give something, it cannot leave me. When you give something, it cannot leave you. But we have to look at this from a higher perspective, right? God, oneness, the mind of oneness. And Spirit gave me this very, very beautiful image, symbol for this. And most of you probably know the movie Avatar, right? There is the plane, right? Look at it from a higher perspective. Get out of the human perspective. Get out of the eyes that are focused, the eyes of the illusion, or duality that are focused on the illusion, and look from a higher perspective. Oneness. The movie Avatar. There is this scene where they are trying to bring back grace, right? And the scene is also called Saving Grace, which is wow, right? That is such a beautiful gift given, right? Saving grace from Avatar. Everybody's gathering around Eywa, right? And Eywa in Avatar she is the great mother. She is the great spirit. She is God for them, right? She is the Christ mind, the one mind, the one Holy Son, right? So Eywa is a symbol for this. And when they are trying to bring back grace, when they are trying to save grace, everybody is gathering around Eywa and everybody has their antenna connected, right? And they are all moving in this synchronized movement as one being, as one organism, as one, right? Together with Eywa, in Eywa, all gathered for the same goal, saving grace. So when we give, we receive. When we give something, it stays within the same organism. So it cannot be anything else than whatever we give within that organism, we also receive within that organism. Whatever we spend, whatever we seemingly spend, buy, invest, whatever we seemingly give, we are giving to ourselves. But from that higher perspective, we are giving it in the same organism. It stays within there, right? To give and to receive are one in truth. And whomever is struggling with finances, resources, worthiness, what is value, self-worth, self-value, or what is of real value. If you are struggling with this, sit with this. Sit with this image and allow Spirit to give you the experience of what this actually means, right? And if you haven't seen Avatar, if you don't know Avatar, although most of you will do, but it's the same, it's Mother Earth, right? It's one organism. Whatever happens within Mother Earth stays within Mother Earth. It does not leave its source. It's one organism, and all seeming separate parts from that organism are working together in that organism. And when I say seeming separate parts of that organism, it means there is a part within every seeming separate part that remembers that it cannot be separate from its source. Oneness, right? Eywa, the Great Spirit, Aho, the Great Earth Mother, the Great Cosmic Mother, the one organism, oneness in God. So my dear, dear, beloved souls, this message just wants to come through, because I know many are struggling with this mindset of poverty and scarcity. It cannot exist within that organism. Only when we try to believe that we are not part of that organism, and it costs a lot of energy and effort to try to make ourselves believe that we are separate from that organism. And if we arrive at that point that we believe that we are separate from that organism, it is still but a belief, because nothing can leave its source. Nothing real can leave its source. So we can think that we are separate from it, but we are still moving together in this synchronized, harmonized oneness. One being, one organism, one mind. To give and to receive is one in truth. Ah, yes, my dear, dear, sweet, beloved souls, this is what I have for you today. I'm bringing you this message in between the heat waves and in between the winds. Spirit opened up this beautiful, silent portal to bring you this. Where also when I prepared the space, the crickets outside started to sound. And they bring a message of it's one organism, it's a vibration, it's a frequency, it's an energy, right? It's moving, it's vibing together. And they bring a big message of prosperity and abundance, right? So receive this, and know that in the same time you are giving and you are given. It's all one. It's all one. So my dear sweet souls, may you receive this in truth, and may it open up your remembrance, our remembrance of our true abundant nature. so we can all move and vibe in this wonderful, wonderful experience of oneness, where we can give and share, receive with pure love. There is no fear here. It doesn't exist here. No fear, no lack. Just love. Love and abundance. Okay, my dear beautiful souls, this is what I have for you today. They are back, the crickets. I send you lots of love, lots of light, lots of peace, and blessings for each and every one.